Great morning, students. I am Pooja, your maths teacher. And in today's class, we learn exercise 1A, question number 9. In this question, it is given that how many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? Now here we see that our places go up to the lakh. So first of all, we write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000 and then lakh. We write it here. Now we write the number and under the place of lakh we put 1 and rest of the places we fill with 0. Now we have to see how many thousands. So we make a box and in the box we put all the places which start from 1000 and up to the lakh. Now here we see that in box we have the 100. So our answer is 100 thousands make a lakh. This is our answer. Now in the question number 10, this is also the same question. How many 10,000s make a crore? How many 10,000s make a crore? In that question, we have to write the places. It is given that how many 10,000s make a crore? 10,000 and crore. Now our places go up to the place of crore. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 10 lakh, and crore. Now here we write this and fill all the places with the 0. Now we have to find 10,000. 10,000 is here, so we make a box taking 10,000 and up to the crore. Now we see that in box we have 1,000. So we write 1,000, 10,000s make a crore. You have this one? Now this is your answer. Now we start our next question, question number 11. Now in question number 11, the statement is that find the difference find out करना है between the number this 738 and that obtained on reversing the digit. First of all, we write the number. Here we write number that is equal to 730. Now we have to write after reversing the digit. After reversing the digits. When we reverse the digit, then we have to follow the process. And now our number is 837. Now we see that after reversing the digit, our number is greater than the given number. Because given number is 738 and you are reversing the digit number is 837. And we have to find the difference. So in difference, first of all, we write the greatest number. So our greatest number is after reversing the digit number, after reversing the digit number is number equal to 837. And original number is number given number that is equal to 730. Now we have to find the difference. In difference we have to do the subtraction. So when we subtract these numbers, then we get 7 from 8. We are not able to do this, so we have to take the borrow from this, and after taking borrow we have the number 17, and from 17 when we subtract 8, then we get a 9. Now here we have the number 2, and again we have to take the borrow from this, and after taking borrow the number is a 12, and from 12 when we subtract 3, then we get a 9. Now here number is 7, and from 7 we subtract 7, then we get a 0. So our answer is 99. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now we start our question number 12. In this you have to give on what comes just after. Just after means we have to find the successor of the given number. So in successor what we have to do? We have to add 1 in the given number. So our given number is this 9547999, and we have to add 1 this number, then we get 10 0 0, and here is 8 4 5 and 9. This is our answer. So we have to write number comes just after. Number comes just after equal to this one. Clear this one? Now in the next question number 13 and 14, what comes just before the given number? When you have to given the statement that what comes just before the given number. Before mean we have to take the opposite. In this we have to add 1, and in before question you have to subtract 1 from the given number, and after doing this you get the answer. So the question number 13 and 14 are as it is of this question. Just after you have to find the successor, and in just before you have to find the predecessor. Clear this one? Okay. Now we start our next question. Yes, now we start our next question, and in this question it is given that write all digits using these digits, taking each digit only once. You have to use these digits and taking only once. One digit is used at one's place only one time. So we have to make, it means that we have to make different digits. Now we see that we have 3 numbers, and 3 numbers shows that our number goes up to 1000 place. And so we write here the places ones, tens and 100. Now the first step which we have to follow this, and it is very compulsory that taking these digits we have to take 1 digit. Fix 1 digit. Suppose we take first 2 in the box at the place of 100. Now we take 2. Now the remaining digits are 3 and 4. So we put these 2 digits at the places of tens and ones. Now from the next number, what we have to do? We have to change the places of the digit ones and tens. And here again 100 place digit is fixed, and we have to write the number 43. Now our number becomes 234, and next one is 243. Now in the next process we fix the other number is 3. Now we write here at the 100 place 3. Now our remaining digits are 2 and 4. So we put these 2 digits at the places of tens and ones. Again we follow the same process. We have to change the places of tens and ones, and after doing this we see that our 100 place digit is a fixed and tens and ones place digits are different. So our number becomes 342. Now our one digit is left for the 100 place. We fix 4 at 100 place. After that, our remaining digits are 2 and 3. So we write here 2 and at ones place we write here 3. Again we follow the same process, changing the digits, tens and ones. Now we get the number 4332. So our number becomes 234, 243, 324, 342, 423 and 432. Now in this method our all digits are made and no one digit is left. So you have to follow this process, and in this process no any number is left by using this. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now we start our next question, and in question number 16 it is given that write the smallest number of using different digits 3, 1, 0, 5 and 7. It means that in this question using these digits we have to write the smallest number. So first of all we write the 5 places, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. Clear? Now here we write smallest number. Smallest number. Now from these digits we see that 0 is the smallest digit. But when we write any number, then no any number start with 0. That's why we are taking the greater number greater than 0, and this number is a 1. So at 10,000 place we write 1. Then we put 0, and after that we write the greater number greater than 1, and this number is a 3. So at 100 place we put 3 and then 5 and then 7. Clear this one? Now in the question number 17, the number is different. Here we learn how to write the smallest number, and in question number 17 you have to write the greatest number, and you know that how you have to write the greatest number. In the greatest number, first you write the greater number, then do the smaller. Clear? And so question number 17 you do it yourself. Now we start our question number 18. Now in question number 18 we have to using international place value chart. इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट का यूज करते हुए यूजिंग कोमास राइट द नंबर नेम. तो आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू गिवन द स्टेटमेंट इन वर्ड्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट एंड देन you have to put commas. So we start here. Our statement is 735,000. 735. This is a 3-digit number. So and our places goes up to 1000. So first of all we write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Clear? Now 735. So we write here 735,000. 821. 821. So we write here 821. Clear this one? Now here we see that ones, tens and 100, these belongs to the ones period. So we put commas here. After that this 735, these numbers belongs to the 1000 period. So here we write this. Clear this one? Now Now this is our answer. Now we write the second part of this question, and in this part it is given that